Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Explore Not Expert, and today I'm going to be showing you a presentation I made in school. And the presentation, it was for a province or territory. It's in the grade 4 curriculum, and there's some cool hacks in this presentation, and I'll show each hack in a different short, but I'm just going to show you the presentation in this one video. If you guys want to see where I got those hacks, like how I got those hacks, like where I how to do them, uh, you can check my shorts and they'll be there. All right, so let's get started. Travel to British Columbia. I chose British Columbia because I like the capital. What's the capital of British Columbia? Bet you thought it was B, but no, it's Victoria. Here's a video to help us remember the capital cities of every province and territory. I'm not going to play the video, even though it's really good. I'll play it at the end of this. This is BC's flag. The crown represents the royal family. The sun represents how BC is the most western province because it's all the way over like the sun. How many people are in BC? There are over 5.6 million people living in BC. The weather in BC is like a switch. It's baking in summer, and in winter, it's so cold you'll think you stepped in a freezer. And I had a bunch of these gifts. Now we'll learn the physical and political regions. Physical region, political region. Physical region. Physical region is a natural area that is created by geographic borders, things like mountains or rivers. So you see those little colors? Those colors on this map, what happens is they're like separated by mountains. So Alberta has Rocky Mountains, BC also has Rocky Mountains, and that thing is that geographic border. It's like a mountain. So that's what separates them. British Columbia is in Cordillera. Cordillera is here. You know, Cordillera took me over 3 days to pronounce. It's so hard. But finally I got it. Cordillera. Political regions. Political regions are regions that have human-made borders. Things like states or countries. Like you know how there's provinces like Ontario, Quebec, like those things. Then, Cordillera has mountains, plateaus, confers, forests, and tundras. A tundra is a place with no trees. A mountain is a huge hill, and a coniferous forest contains trees that grow pines instead of leaves. What jobs are in BC? Natural jobs and resources. Boat drivers, animal caretakers, skiing instructors, fish, coal, copper, silver, zinc, and gold. Zinc is used for medicine, by the way. Attractions. Do you guys like that? It's so cool. That will be in the shorts too. Rocky Mountains. What are the Rocky Mountains? Rocky Mountains is a line of mountains in BC. How did it form? Well, starting 75 million years ago, the Laramide orogeny mountain building event began, making the Rocky Mountains. Coast Mountains. What are the Coast Mountains? Coast Mountains is also a line of mountains in BC. How did it form? When tectonic plates smashed against each other, they created Coast Mountain. So there's two tectonic plates, and when they smashed together, they created that little bump. Like take two hands, like take both of your hands, and we'll shing, and they'll start to go up, right? And that's what created the mountain. Stanley Park. What is Stanley Park? Stanley Park is one of BC's famous parks. What does it include? It includes the city's natural crown jewel, kilometers of trails, beautiful beaches, local wildlife, great eats, rural, cultural, and historical landmarks, along with many other things. Butcher Gardens. What is Butcher Gardens? Butcher Gardens is a very huge garden. What does it include? It includes remnants of the old plants, cement plant, and millions of bedding flowers in over 900 variants awaiting you as you wander the gardens. Fun facts: the national flower is the Pacific dogwood. The national bird is the Seller jay. The national tree is the western red cedar. And the national animal is the spirit bear. Did you know BC is bigger than France and Germany combined? So as you can see, I have France, which is with the Paris Eiffel Tower, and then plus Germany, which is the greater than symbol with BC's flag. I'm glad I'm a math person. That's why I added that. Also, did you know that BC became a province in 1871? Ogo Pogo. I really like this. This is one of the main reasons why I chose BC. Ogopogo is a mythical being that is believed to be alive by people who live in BC. And if you guys know the Loch Ness monster, basically it's like that. And also some people um say that scuba divers have actually seen a statue of Ogopogo. No one knows how it was made. And if there was Ogopogo statue, who made it? And if that statue was real, then Ogopogo might be real, right? And that's something I didn't dig deep in too much, but that's basically a brief explanation. Bye bye!